Hello and welcome to the Tyler Show. It's me, Tyler Dupuis, with an all new episode of Buying My Dream Car. I'm just kidding. Anyway, my dream car for this project is the 2017 Subaru Crosstrek, priced at $21,695 starting. I got that from the official Subaru.com website, and then there's a picture of the blue, light blue, baby blue, whatever you want to call it, Subaru Crosstrek. Now the bank I have chosen is Northway Bank, and I have chosen that because I have relatives who work there. So isn't that cool, huh? And their interest rate for new to used cars, which is the 2017 portion, is 3.99%. And I got that and the chart from the official Northway Bank website. Look at that, isn't that pretty cool? Alright, so the money I'm loaning from this bank is $20,000 in total. So we'll plug that into the equation later on. Now the car speculations and features include the all-wheel drive, 33 miles per gallon, eyesight technology, which is basically another pair of eyes for when yours don't work, push to start keyless car, so it's just a key fob, no key, and Siri compatibility. It's like Siri on your phone, but in your car. Now, if you haven't been bored to death yet and wanting to die of sleep deprivation, well, let's continue on to the math. Alright, we're going to use the present value of annuity formula to find how much I'm going to be paying per month for one total year to cover the payment of $20,000 at an interest rate of 3.99%. Now we got to find I, which is the percent over how many payments per year. Now, if we're paying monthly, you get divided by 12 from the interest rate, so we get I equals 0.003325. Now, negative n is the amount of payments total, so there are 12 payments, so we gotta make that negative 12 for 1 year. So after you plug that information on, we're gonna do everything in the parentheses plus the exponent, we get 1 minus 0.96094912232. And then we divide that by I. And so what your final answer for that would be 11.7446246. Divide that by 20,000, and you'll get P equals $1,702.91 per month. That's how much you're paying per month for 1 year to cover the costs. Now the total value that is accumulated when you multiply that 1,700 by 12, you get $20,000, $20,434.92, and subtract that by the original money we loaned, and we can find the total interest that we get to pay, which was $434.92. So this is just for 1 year if you want to pay for this car, or pay for the loan for 1 year. Now let's go on to 2 years, see how much we'd have to pay for 2 years. Before we go back to our math equation, take a quick 4-second break. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, welcome back to the Tyler Show, where I'm your host, Tyler Dupuis, and we're going to find out how much money we'd have to pay per month for that Subaru Crosstrek if you pay over 2 years. Now the only thing different with this equation is that negative n is going to be different because the amount of payments in total are going to be different because you have 2 years instead of 1 year. So you just got to double the 12, which is 24. So we're going to plug in everything there. Okay, 1 plus 0.003325 up to the negative 24. And you get 1 minus 0.92342322174. Divide that by I, and you get 23.03061131. P equals 20,000, the original number we started with. Now all you have to do is divide that same number by 20,000, and you can find out how much money you would have to pay per month to add up to 20,000 over 2 years, which in this case, this number is $868.41, which is about almost $1,000 less than doing it for paying monthly for 1 year, which makes sense because you pay less per month. Now the total value of the car in total, or the loan in total, will be $20,841.84. That's when you multiply that per month price times 24 to find out the actual price. Now, to find out the total interest you pay, all you have to do is subtract that $20,841.84 by the original loaning price, which is $20,000, and you get $841.84. Now, this is extremely higher, about $400 more interest you're paying. So it's a, it's a win-loss type of thing. If you want to pay less over a longer period of time, you'll pay more interest. But if you were willing to pay more in a less time, you'll actually be paying less. I know, psychology. I don't know, reverse psychology. You're paying less per month for more interest in the end. And if you pay more per month, you pay less interest in the end. There you go. Well, I hope everybody had a fantastic time watching this video. Thanks you for watching. Have a great day.